Hi everybody, a very good afternoon, good morning. How you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Ambicon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And we design, manufacture, and supply products which are related to interior concerns and accessorizing and enhancing the beauty of your spaces. These are homes, offices, libraries, studios, apartments, guest houses, homes, hotels, restaurants, or whatever. So wherever you require home and office decor products like lamps, mirrors, consoles, tables, sofas, chairs. We have consoles, and we have a lot of other interesting stuff, smaller stuff like picture frames. Then there's cutlery, there's jewelry and stuff like that. And I'm the founder and the CEO and stuff. And we are basically, kind of looking at getting into this a little more seriously now that Corona is off, and also kind of out of my health concerns and stuff, which I've been having for over 2 years now. But nevertheless, what I've learned from this particular spell of poor health and bad, phase of illness is that, life is a beautiful journey, and you got to make the best use of it and stuff. The attitude matters a lot, and I'll tell you why I'm coming to this, because my video is about this. This is on stepping out of your comfort zone and stuff. So, like many people, I've also been in communication, branding, marketing, and stuff like that, and global retail and global PR. And I started my own stuff a few years back. And we are basically now in sector 8. Previously, we were in sector 4, and that's where the whole concept and idea of getting into this business and design work happen a little more seriously and stuff. I'm also a drummer, so I'm in the Delhi Drum Circle, where we play for the community and we pray for the world and causes and concerns and stuff. And coming back to the point about life being a mixed bag, people kind of think that it's like a movie. Your life is like a movie. You follow movies and you're inspired by actors and actresses. So life is a reality. It's a reality check. You have all kinds of concerns and stuff. So sickness being one or illness being one, but then your attitude and your whole outlook towards it matters. And there have been days when I've been like really, really kind of force myself to not do anything, and I do that on a weekend because now I want to kind of make up with all the time that has gone by. But I made the best use of the time. And coming to this point that I wanted to make is the attitude. It's about the comfort zone and stuff. So we've been in organizations, we've been in relationships, we've been in situations, we've been in certain associations, maybe work or maybe personal or whatever, friendships and hobbies and stuff like that. So we are kind of molding our personalities, and we are developing our personalities. And at certain point of time, people get fixated and become a little stagnated and blocked. You could call it conservative, you could call it old school or whatever, or they've grown up, for following elders and people all across the world, and they're told that they got to behave in a certain manner, they got to speak in a certain manner, they got to dress up in a certain manner and stuff. So, it happened to me also. I mean, coming from a very good family, our parents have kind of, I think they've kind of given us very good values and stuff like that. And rest of it, I have to share this honestly. The formative years are your parents' work and stuff till college and stuff like that. And after that, it is your own doing, how you kind of how you kind of step out of your college and you get into the real world. What is it that you kind of become a party to? Whom do you allow to be friends with? What kind of work goals you have? What kind of relationships you have? What kind of missions or purpose you have and stuff? And then you flow, and you kind of do not try and control your life, because when you're planning forever, sometimes situations don't happen the way you expect them to, and relationships don't happen that way. And you may be looking for a job, or you may be kind of training to be in a certain spot, and it doesn't happen that way. So people get a little disheartened, or they're kind of unhappy with the situations and stuff. So that's why they say that do not stick to just one particular kind of a job or a role and stuff. Keep your mind open, because you never know what's going to happen. And I learned it the hard way, because when I was not working, I used to think that I have been in a corporate role for about 23 years and stuff. and now I'm not doing much and stuff. So what's really going on with me? And I used to think about other people, and I used to wonder, what the hell? When am I kind of going to get back into my own role, and when am I going to do my own stuff, because I was not getting a job. And then I thought, okay, maybe this is something which is come my way, because maybe I have to do something different, and I got to stand up. And face the uncertainty, because you never know what happens when. Unfortunately, my last job where I was many years back, the organization was going through losses, so we were asked to leave and stuff. But we have had good relationships with them, and then I kind of started doing my own thing. And as I was doing that, and I was participating and learning more, and kind of breaking my own comfort zone of what I knew and stuff, I have kind of come to the realization that adventure at work, and also learning at work plays a very good and a very important role, because we may be molded in a certain manner, we may be holding a certain designation or a role in a certain manner, we may be used to a certain environment for donkey years and stuff, and that's the way our personality becomes, and that's the way our mindset is conditioned and stuff. And so you have to work hard on kind of stepping out of it and kind of facing it and saying, okay, this is what I've done, and now I want to do something new. So how does that happen? Let me guide you on that one, okay?